This hanger.
Good.
Yeah, I can't hang her.
Hey, bitch ass.
Well, get it, Roxy. Get it. Yeah. Can't get it.
Shit.
Oh, he got it. Nice. It's too fast. Whoa.
There we go. Straight away.
He doesn't like it. Get the other one.
Kitty hook hook.
What is that? See, look, I hurt her. Hey.